Summer lightning storm here at Useppa. Fantastic show. Look at that. Pretty spectacular. These summer storms are amazing. So where is Joe? I'm watching the summer storms here in Useppa. My last weekend here until the fall. I'll be back in November. So this is my going away present spectacular light show. So here you have it. Wow. Loving it. Loving it. Loving it, loving it. Wow, wow, that's incredible. Very cool. So where is Joe? YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. Wow. Just taking it all in. It's been a crazy hell of a day. And so this is how I'm ending the day. Just breathing, sitting here, and watching Mother Nature do its thing. Wow. 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 And that's it. Summer storms on Useppa. Everyone told me they'd be spectacular, and boy, they were not lying. I always loved thunder and lightning as a kid, sitting out on the porch and just watching and listening. It was very soothing to me. And here as an adult, it's the same. It's very zen, meditative, spiritual. So, on that note, I'm going to sign off and just watch the rest of the storm. I just wanted to share a little bit with you. So, where's Joe? YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Ciao.